Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the function keys on GIGABYTE G7. So as you may notice here, there are the F1, F2, F3 keys and so on, and they have their primary and secondary functions. The primary ones are assigned depending on the app. So in most apps, the F1 key will open help, the F11 in some apps will open full screen, and the F12 in browsers may open developer tools. But I'm not gonna dive too deep into these assigned actions because it really depends on a certain app, so you can read the app's documentation. But I think that they are also quite legacy, so I don't use them too much. But you also may notice the secondary functions on some of these, which are these symbols. And they are not only on the F keys, but also on the number 4 and on some of these keys on the numpad. And I'm gonna explain what do they do. So in order to use the secondary function, you need to press on these keys combined with the Fn key. So the first one will lock the touchpad. If I click on Fn and F1, my touchpad is now off and now it's on. The F2 will turn the screen off, so it will not go to sleep mode. The screen will just go dark until you press on anything on your keyboard, because it will turn itself back on. This one mutes your speaker. This turns the volume down, turns the volume up. This opens the projection settings, so if you have an external display, you can adjust the duplication or extension of displays there. These are for your screen brightness, then disabling or enabling the built-in webcam. This is the airplane mode. This is the sleep, so you just put your laptop to sleep with that key. The 4 will simply toggle the microphone on or off. This will play or pause if you're playing some media. And here we have some keyboard backlight things. So if we press on Fn and this key, then it'll probably change something about the keyboard, but I haven't found it to work how I want it, so you may find it out yourself. Then this one just disables the keyboard backlight or enables it. This lowers the keyboard backlight, this higher it, and I think these are all the keys, all the function keys. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.